Hello students, in the last lecture we have studied about the bank and related terms to it. Okay, so today we are going to start with your practice set 40. Huh? Now see, now be careful and give proper attention here. Now first example, if Rihanna deposits rupees 1500 in school saving bank, uh, school savings bank at 9 PCPA for 2 years. So what total amount will she get? बघा काय दिलं एक्झाम्पलने मध्ये, इफ रिहाना डिपॉझिट्स रुपीज 1500 इन स्कूल सेव्हिंग बँक. स्कूलच्या सेव्हिंग बँकमध्ये तिने काय केलेलं आहे, काही अमाऊंट डिपॉझिट केलेली आहे. किती डिपॉझिट केलेली आहे ती? रुपीज 1500. हां, आणि रेट काय आहे? 9 PCPA. ओके, मीन्स 9% इज द रेट फॉर 2 years. Means time, period, how many? That is 2 years. So what total amount will she get? तर तिला किती अमाऊंट, टोटल अमाऊंट मिळणार आहे हे आपल्याला फाइंड आउट करायचं आहे. मग फर्स्ट ज्या काही गोष्टी तुम्हाला दिलेल्या आहेत, विच थिंग्स that are given into this example that you have to write first. Now see, rupees 1500. What is this? This is P, means principal amount. P equal to rupees 1500. Okay, then this 9 means R. R means rate of interest. How much? 9 PCPA per cost per annum. Okay, then T equal to means number of years. What is that period? For 2 years, 4 years, like that. So here that is given 2 years. And what is asked? What total amount will she get? Means here we have find out I equal to and amount equal to. Okay, these two things we have to find out. So first, in the last lecture or previous lecture I have told you two formulas here for interest. Means simple interest equal to, what is that formula? P into R into T upon 100. Now remember this formula carefully. Now in this formula we have to put all the values. Now see, P principal, how much? 1500. So write down here. Then into R means rate of interest, that is 9, and then T is 2 years, 2, then upon 100 as it is. Do you understood? Then so simple. Now see this 2 0 get cancel with this 2 0. लक्षात आलं, हे 2 0 या 2 0 बरोबर कॅन्सल झाले. So what is remaining here? This 15 into 9 to the 18. Okay, so what is your answer? The multiplication is 270. This is your interest. This is interest amount. Then what we have to find? Amount. So amount equal to, again I have told you that formula, what plus what? P plus I, means principal into interest. Okay, that's why I have we have find out first this interest. Now see here, P means our principal amount. How much? 1500 plus interest that we have find out now here, 270. So take their addition, 1770. So here write down finally, Rihanna will get rupees 1770. Okay, this is your final answer, and make a box over here. Do you understood up to this? Remember these two main formulas are there. Then see the next example. Example third, Shrikant deposited rupees 85,000 for 2.5 years at 7 PCPA in a saving bank account. What total interest will he receive at the end of the period? लक्षात आलं बघा काय दिलंय, श्रीकांत डिपॉझिटेड रुपीज 85,000. श्रीकांतने काय केलेलं आहे, एवढी अमाऊंट काय केलेली आहे, डिपॉझिट केलेली आहे, मीन्स रुपीज 85,000. किती वर्षांसाठी, फॉर विच पिरियड? सो 2.5 years म्हणजे 2.5 वर्षांसाठी. हां, अँड ॲट 7 PCP आणि रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट किती दिलेला आहे, 7. ओके, इन ए सेविंग बँक अकाउंट. देन व्हॉट टोटल इंटरेस्ट विल ही रिसीव ॲट द एंड ऑफ द पिरियड, म्हणजे ही मुदत 2.5 वर्ष कंप्लीट झाल्यानंतर त्यांना किती इंटरेस्ट मिळणार आहे ते आपल्याला फाइंड आउट करायचं आहे. मग आता परत नेहमीप्रमाणे ज्या गोष्टी आपल्याला दिलेल्या आहेत त्या लिहून घ्यायच्या. सो हियर this, what is this amount? P means principal. So write down P equal to rupees 85,000. Then this rate of interest are equal to 7 PCPA. Then T is number of years, 2.5 years. And what we have asked, interest equal to. So here for interest, what is your formula? I equal to P into R into T upon 100. This is your main formula here. So put all values. Now P equal to 85,000 into R 7. What is T? 2.5 years and upon 100. Okay. Now see, in the next step, this 20 get cancelled with this 20. Okay, so at denominator only 1 is there, means no problem. So 850 only here. 850 into this 7 into, now this 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 1, 5. Means 5 upon 2. Okay. Now solve this. Now say this 850, you can divide this number by 2. So here 2 cancel 1. 2 1s are 2. म्हणजे 2ने भाग द्यायचा आहे थोडक्यात. हे कट करून जर 2ने आपण या 850ला डिवाइड केलं. सो व्हॉट इज युअर आन्सर? 2 4s are 8. Sorry, 2 4s are 8. Here 2 2s are 4. 1 remain and this 0. 2 5s are 10. Okay, means 425 into 7 into 5. So what is your answer? This 425 multiplied by this 7 5s are 35, and here their product is 14,875. So finally write in the full form, Shrikant will receive rupees 14,875 at the end of the period. Okay, this is your final answer. So do you understood up to this? Very simple examples, but you must have to practice it. Now see the next example. The interest on rupees 5,000 for 4 years at certain rate of interest is rupees 1,200. What will be the interest on rupees 15,000 at the same rate of interest for the same period? लक्षात आलं? म्हणजे बघा काय दिले तुम्हाला, द इंटरेस्ट ऑन रुपीज 5,000. म्हणजे 5,000 रुपयांवर जो काही इंटरेस्ट आहे, किती वर्षांसाठी? फॉर 5 years ॲट द सर्टन रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट. म्हणजे रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट तुम्हाला माहिती नाही आहे, तो तुम्हाला फाइंड आउट करायचा आहे. तर तो किती आहे? 1,200 मिळणार आहे त्यावर, काय जी काही अमाऊंट आहे ती. सो व्हॉट वुल बी द इंटरेस्ट ऑन रुपीज 15,000. मग 15,000 रुपीजवर किती इंटरेस्ट असेल ॲट द सेम पिरियड, म्हणजे 4 इयर्ससाठीच. लक्षात आलं. मग यामध्ये आता परत तुम्हाला ज्या गोष्टी दिलेल्या आहेत ना ते लिहून घ्या. सो फर्स्ट राईट हिअर P इक्वल टू ₹5,000. Then this T equal to 4 years. Then what is the next? This interest is given. Interest equal to ₹1,200. Okay, and R that you have to, means rate of interest you have to find out. Okay, so write your formula. I equal to P into R into T upon 100. Then put the values in this formula. So what is P here? P equal to 5,000 into R that you have to find out, T 4 years upon 100. But see this interest I that you have given 1,200. So write below its that value below that. Okay, so म्हणून आपण ह्या आयच्या खाली 1,200 लिहिले. जी अमाऊंट ज्याची दिली आहे त्याच्याच खाली फॉर्म्युल्यामध्ये त्याच ठिकाणी ठेवायची, कुठेही लिहायची नाही. लक्षात आलं. सो नाउ सॉल्व दिस. सी दिस 20 गेट कॅन्सल विथ दिस 20. सो दिस 1,200 इक्वल टू, इथे काय शिल्लक राहिलं आता हे 50 इंटू R इंटू 4. ओके, so R equal to what? This 1,200 upon this 50 into 4. हे आहे तसेच ठेवले. See this 0 get cancel. Now see this 4 1 जा 4 3 जा 12 and this 0 again 5 1 जा 5 and 5 6 जा 30. So R equal to 6. Okay, now this is your rate of interest. So now here what we have asked again? We have asked again on ₹50,000 what is the interest na? So here we write let the interest on, आपण assume करूया. Let the interest on ₹15,000 be ₹X. ओके, सो X अपॉन कशावर काढायचं आहे आपल्याला, ही X म्हणजे हा इंटरेस्ट 15,000 वर. सो राईट डाऊन बिलो दॅट अपॉन 15,000 इक्वल टू, नाउ दिस 1,200 this rate of interest is on which amount? 5,000. Okay, now see, so X equal to this 1,200 upon 5,000 into 15,000. Now see this 30 get cancel with this 30. 5 1 जा 5, 5 3 जा 15. So X equal to 1,200 into 3. So what is your answer? X equal to 3,600. So here write down finally the interest is ₹3,600 and make a box over here. Okay, so this is your answer. Then one more example. Now see, in what is the example? Pankaj deposited ₹1,50,000 in a bank. पंकजने काय केलेलं आहे, ही एवढी अमाऊंट बँकमध्ये डिपॉझिट केलेली आहे. किती? ₹1,50,000 at 10 PCPM, means rate of interest is what? 10 for 2 years. Means period 2 years. So what total amount will he get from the bank at the end of the period? म्हणजे हे 2 years कंप्लीट झाल्यानंतर त्याला किती अमाऊंट बँकेकडून परत मिळेल. मग आता ज्या गोष्टी आपल्याला दिलेल्या आहेत First write down that. So here P equal to rupees 1,50,000. Okay. Then rate of interest R equal to 10 PCPA. Then T equal to 2 years. And amount you have to find out. So first write down your formula. I equal to P into R into T upon 100. This is your main formula. Now put the values. So 1,50,000 into rate of interest 10 into 2 upon 100. हे 2 0 गेले, हे 2 0 गेले. So what is that? 15 to the 30 and this 30. Okay, means 30,000. So amount equal to principal plus interest. This is your next formula because amount we have asked here. So principal 1,50,000 plus this interest 30,000. So equal to rupees 1,80,000. And finally write down the answer. Pankaj will get rupees 1,80,000. Okay, this is your final answer. Do you understood up to this? Okay, so today we stop here, and your next practice set we will see in our next lecture. Till then, bye students.